good, YouTube? It's your girl Monty B, and I'm back with another video. So if you could tell by the title, today we're doing unboxing. I finally got the Dollar Shave Club thing. I'm just trying it. It was like $5 to start. This is the free trial box. Let's see what we have up in here. Oh, crazy. It says, welcome to the club. It gives me some little stuff up in here. You'll never forget this box. This is what they have. The first thing they have. It's cute. I guess more advertisement. But they got stuff for your hair. A bathroom reader. Oh, it gives me like these little newspapers so you can, you know, sitting on the toilet.
Sitting on the toilet.
You can just read. Ooh, I like this. Okay. I'm really feeling this box. Okay. Open it. This is exactly what it should look like. So let's go ahead and just play with this a little bit. Let's see what's going on up in here. So the first thing I pull out is this. It's really heavy. A nice good weight on it. That's how you know it's real. Fucking with it, like, yeah. Next thing is the razors. Ooh. And they give you 2 razors at that. 2 packs of razors for the first trial. That is good. They're both the same razors. It looks like. Like, how do you do this? Okay. 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 Shea butter. It's this size. It's kind of that's good. It's kind of good for a trial. Oh, they gave me 2 shea butters. Ooh, 2 pep scrubs. And post douche shave. They gave me 2 of those also. So they gave me 2 of each to start. That's good. So they gave me 2 packs of razor. This is a really good box. And I feel like after I get the first box, I feel like I don't even need the second shipment to come. Now it's time to see how this is. Let's see if this actually works. I think I'm gonna try doing my arm. Let's see how that works. And we're gonna be using shea butter. Let's see how this feels. Gotta open it. Fun. I don't know. The fillet is it's really liquidy. Like, smells. The smell of it smells like some type of shaving cream. I'm gonna try my arm. Work there. Let's see how this is. I have a hairy arm. It's disgusting. But let's just see. Ooh. Ooh, it's sharp. Okay. Wow. Y'all, this is actually pretty good. It's just like, it's like the hair is smooth. That's there. It's really smooth. Like, I don't know if y'all can really tell. Like, so after me shaving my arm, like, kind of, can't really tell though, but a lot of people have been telling me to, like, this box is good, you should use it. And I'm like, I don't got money like that, like $30 a month, like, you feel me? Who got money like that? Trying to spend on razors. I honestly get the cheap razors from Walmart that's like $1 and like some $5 razor cream. Like, and that's me. Now, I guess I'm gonna feel like a whole baby, cause this is clutch. Period. This is so clutch. But please like and subscribe, and thank you for tuning. Goodbye.